Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. My hair can shrink for Africa. Yeah, so I love using this dark and lovely product and my DIY oil. So after doing that, I'm going to be combing the hair. So we have to prepare the hair to achieve this gorgeous lovely jumbo box braid hairstyle. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you so much. And if you've not subscribed, sis, what are you waiting for? Kindly please join the fun by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment down below. I really appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for your support and love. So now I'm trying to section the hair, but it's always difficult for me to section my hair on camera, so I have to section the hair off camera, but I section the front for you guys to see how I achieve the. So I'm going to be using this girl to be a gel and shine and jam with the elastic rubber. Then I'm going to be using Brazilian wool. You know I love using Brazilian wool to achieve this kind of hairstyle. Check out if you've not seen different kind of hairstyle I achieve with this Brazilian wool. I noticed that if I use shine and jam with gel, the gel always lose hold. I'm new to using shine and jam. Shine and jam is a very lovely good product, but if I use it together with any gel, the gel won't be tacky, it will lose hold. So I've already noticed this like 3 times, so I'll stop using both shine and jam and gel together. If I want to use only shine and jam, I will use it. If I want to use gel only, I will use it. I wanted to achieve 6 jumbo box braids, but my middle hair won't allow me to be good. I'm still going to be doing a tutorial on achieving 4 jumbo box braid. So I have to achieve 7 now because of my middle hair. I can actually achieve 6, but I don't want to straighten my hair. I do make video now in the night because my kids, they've already started school, they resume school back, so I don't have time during the days. Only in the night I have time to make video. So now you can see what I'm doing. When you put the Brazilian wool together, I've already cut the Brazilian wool to my desired length. You don't have the Brazilian wool to be the same length. One have to be longer than one, so that towards the end it will be easier for you to form that pencil look. I forgot to mention, I make use of 3 packs of Brazilian wool. In picking the hair, I make use of 42 strands of Brazilian wool for each jumbo box braid. You can see how I'm picking it from the beginning, using my head to make the 3rd braid, then later section the both parts so that the hair is going to be 3. Then I have to say this, you have to make sure gel is your friend. Gel, you can use any gel of your choice, anyone, just to make sure you didn't have any left over when you finish braiding towards the body of the braids. So make sure gel is your friend. Don't manage gel in this kind of hairstyle. Yes. So I'm trying to show you another one. I messed up at this section because my hand was not straight with the cutting of the hair. Can you see the place where I messed up? It was really painful, but I really tried my best in making my hands to be straight when I was dividing the hair, but it's not even showing. Unless if you want to tell me, bend down your hair and let me see how you section this hair. So now I'm showing you another part now. It's just the same method, and it's a very good and protective method to use. So just braiding the hair down. So when I reach towards the end of the braids, I'm going to be taking a hair brush, then I'll brush the hair down so that when I finish braiding the hair, I won't have to tie any knots. I'll have to braid it down like a normal braiding hair. You can actually dip this into hot water, but I would advise you not to, because if you dip this Brazilian wool into hot water, it won't give you that jumbo look again. It's going to shrink, it will be slim. So you can easily rock it like this by you using scissors just to trim any excess off. You can see I'm showing. So you're just braiding the hair down. You know, I said it earlier, allow gel to be your friend in this kind of hairstyle. Don't manage gel. And guys, let me tell you, we have two type of Brazilian wool. We have the fake Brazilian, we have the original one. So if you want me to make a video by showing you how the original Brazilian wool looks like and how the fake one look like, let me know, comment down below. So guys, and if you want me to show you how you can wash your protective hairstyle if you use Brazilian wool in making them, let me know, comment down below also. I really appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for your support and your love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So let's keep on watching. So this is the last one. I'm done making them. You know, I like being extra. I love my hairstyle to be as in popping, so I tried to add some beautiful beads towards the hair. After I finished adding the beads, because it was in the night I made this hairstyle, so the second day I was asking, this hair is too simple for my liking. I have to add some sauce to this hair. So just watch to the end and check out what I had to the hair to make the hair look so beautiful, and the hair just came out so good. So this was what I was talking about, that I added sauce to the hair. Can you see how the hair came out so extra? I have 7 braids on, but I added only 6 because I could not find one to add to the 7th one, so I have to leave it like that. So I'm just spraying some oil sheen, and again off camera I used some hair mousse, olive oil hair mousse, just to rub there. So this is the final look of the hair. What do you think? Can you please comment down below? Let's interact on this hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle, man. This hairstyle was so long. This hairstyle was, I think, boot length. Yes, boot length. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, comment, share with your love. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Ciao. Mwah.